all the way back in the tree. Climb up the people. Now we just climb up the limestone piles and then we die.
Okay, that's kind of funny.
Well, I didn't think you would sink. I mean, it looked kind of...
It looked like it was solid.
Yeah, it was. Are you sunburned?
So you were already sunburnt when you started Saturday. You didn't add to it.
Yeah, my face is... Look, it's white. I usually get like beige.
Look where you want to go. Use two hands. Two hands. Two hands and your legs. That's only one hand. Look, he's going to make a tough rider out of you because you can't turn him with one rein. You have to use both reins and your legs. Look where you're going. Look where you're going. You're not looking. Don't pull. Legs. Oh, what a good boy. He just took